Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to cover a topic that could potentially make a big impact on your financial journey. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Navy Federal Internal Score and what it really means for you. Whether you're a new member or a seasoned veteran of the credit union, this information is valuable for making informed decisions and improving your financial well-being. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. And if you're interested in learning more about the Navy Federal Credit Union, feel free to check out our Navy Federal playlist in the link provided in the description below. Let's jump right into it. Navy Federal Internal Score. The Navy Federal Internal Score is a relationship indicator within Navy Federal that reflects your ability to maneuver within the credit union. Your internal score will provide insight into your credit and how you're doing within Navy Federal. The score ranges from 100 to 450, with a higher score indicating that you are more likely to get approved for Navy Federal products at more favorable terms and conditions. Your internal score with Navy Federal could also be an internal risk score depending on how you look at it. This scoring system helps identify if you are a potential risk customer. A higher internal score means you have the doors open for many Navy Federal products, whereas a low internal score may be the opposite. Your internal score number is automatically generated based on your relationship and your credit profile at the time of when you apply. So, for example, when you apply for a credit card and receive your approval, you will also see your internal score at the back of that approval letter. There are several reasons that make up your internal score, including your relationship with Navy Federal, your credit profile, your payment history, and your account activity. Now let's talk about the different internal scores and what they might mean for you. Internal score range 100 to 200. If you have an internal score ranging from 100 to 200, this score may be for those new to Navy Federal who have no direct deposit, low or no Navy Federal products, and whose credit may need to be better. Although it's possible to receive a credit card, auto loan, or personal loan with Navy Federal, it is much more complex, and the terms for those products may not be the best. Those who fall into this scoring range category may be establishing more credit or are in the state of rebuilding credit since your internal score is comprised of your relationship with Navy Federal and your credit profile. Internal score range 200 to 300. If your internal score is in the range of 200 to 300, this means you are starting to establish a relationship with Navy Federal. You may have a few products with them, such as a credit card, auto loan, or personal loan. You may have a direct deposit and a credit score that's improving. You may also have a good payment history with Navy Federal, and your account activity is increasing. Internal score range 300 to 400. If your internal score is in the range of 300 to 400, this means you have an excellent relationship with Navy Federal. You have multiple products with them, such as a credit card, auto loan, or personal loan. You have a direct deposit and a credit score that's excellent. You have a great payment history with Navy Federal, and your account activity is very high. Internal score range 400 to 450. Finally, if your internal score is in the range of 400 to 450, this means you have an exceptional relationship with Navy Federal. You have many products with them, such as a credit card, auto loan, personal loan, and a mortgage. You have a direct deposit and a credit score that's outstanding. You have an excellent payment history with Navy Federal, and your account activity is extremely high. Improving your score and accessing more benefits from Navy Federal. What you can do. First and foremost, make sure you're using Navy Federal as your primary financial institution. This means opening a checking and savings account with them and using them for all of your day-to-day banking needs. By keeping your money with Navy Federal and using their products and services, you'll demonstrate your loyalty and commitment to the credit union, which can help improve your internal score. Next, consider opening additional accounts and products with Navy Federal. This could include things like a credit card, a personal loan, or a mortgage. By diversifying your relationship with Navy Federal and showing that you're a responsible borrower, you can boost your internal score and access even more benefits. Another thing you can do to improve your score is to make sure you're paying your bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low. This means making all of your loan payments and credit card payments on time, and avoiding carrying a high balance on your credit cards. By demonstrating that you're a responsible borrower, you can boost your internal score and make yourself a more attractive candidate for additional products and services. In conclusion, the Navy Federal internal score is a crucial factor that affects your relationship with the credit union and loan terms. It's important to note that while the internal score is significant, other factors like income, debt-to-income ratio, and employment history also influence loan approval. Therefore, comprehending your Navy Federal internal score is vital to understand your relationship with the credit union and how to enhance it. If you're looking to establish a strong relationship with Navy Federal, consider utilizing their various financial products and services like opening a checking or savings account, applying for a credit card, etc. By doing so, you can improve your internal score and increase your likelihood of getting approved for future loans and credit products with better terms and conditions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, don't forget to check out our Navy Federal playlist for more helpful tips and information about Navy Federal and its products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.